Hi, this is Elizabeth with WTI, and it's time to get rid of all your germs with the Disinfectant Wipes from Lysol. This disinfected wipe package has 80 of the wipes, and they're super easy to use. The packaging itself is kind of like tissues, so you just pull them out one at a time, and then it reseals itself, so that way the wipes stay moisturized, and that is perfect because then that way it's able to pick up all the germs, all the dirt, all the grime, everything that we don't want to be touching. Is going to make sure our surfaces stay clean. And it leaves behind that fresh lemon smell, and you know that you're like, all the germs are gone. The packaging itself is pretty compact. I like that it lays flat. That way you can store it in maybe any of your shelves, like in your kitchen or your bathroom. It's also super easy to store in your car as well, because sometimes you need Lysol wipes on the go. You never want to find yourself in a situation where you can't wipe away all the germs, right? We're all super focused and worried about germs maybe nowadays. So it's nice to know that you can have these Lysol wipes any place, you can store them anywhere on the to-go, never be caught without them, and get rid of all your germs. And that's my point of view.